Howdy, my name is Mark Zweig and I'm the driver of the world's fastest modified diesel truck. I drive this Freightliner and it currently holds the world speed record at 228.804 miles per hour. Let me show you a little bit of things about the truck. Let's start out with the front. It is a stock cab 1997 Freightliner. It's absolute monster. It goes so fast we've actually had to change the traditional 18-wheeler wheels and tires. We're running aircraft tires. We run F-15 main landing gear tires on the front and 737 aircraft tires in the back. But the heart and soul of this machine is this beautiful 16-cylinder Detroit Diesel monster back here. It provides over 4,000 horsepower, 6,500 foot-pounds of torque, and it gives us the power to absolutely go. Recently, we had the engine over to a dyno.
All right, fire in the hole.
We tried doing some break-in on the dyno, trying to get the fuel curves dialed in, getting everything ready to go to Bonneville.
There we go.
Lubricants are such a key thing. We need to have something that's absolutely the best of the best. The chemists at Top One have designed a proprietary new molecule. It's a MO3, they call it. It's a modified molybdenum molecule where they've added one extra atom to the molecule package. And what it does is revolutionary. It cuts friction, it lowers oxidation, it gives you a lot better fuel economy, and it makes rocket ships like this go really, really fast.